Alrighty, welcome back. So I've got an easy repair today. I'm going to be putting these bad boys on my 97 F250. I can't remember how much they cost, probably about, I don't know, 70 bucks maybe. But I have some other ones that are on there. I'll take a picture of it and show you. But they're way too small. It doesn't give me any vision at all whenever I'm looking in my rear view. These are a lot more solid. They're also well rated, well reviewed. I apologize. The other ones that I got, they were on Amazon. This is not an Amazon part. This is from carparts.com. I know in order to replace them, we get this little, what are these called? Torques, I believe. They have 5 points on them. Hopefully that's right. If not, then I'm going to swap them out for another one. But I'm going to put that on the truck, and then you guys will see the process behind that. Wish me luck. All right. All new components. This is in bubble wrap. This is actually slightly bigger than the old one. And this bracket is going to be a lot bigger than this old one. So this is what I really need. This is actually going to give me a decent view to work with. And it looks like all the fasteners they have as well are present. I'm going to reuse a couple of them, but probably not all of them, depending on the fact that I don't want to have to drill more holes in there. Wish me luck. Fortunately, this side's a little bit easier than the left, or than the passenger side, because they actually have fixed screws on the back end of them. I'm not sure what happened on the other side. I think maybe something ended up getting stripped, and then they just decided to drill a massive hole in it and then make it come together. But yeah, this one's really easy because I don't have to like go through the back of the truck in order to try to get anything. Next up is going to be these guys. The other side's completely done. I already took a picture. So it's going to be this. It shouldn't take me any more than 10 minutes. In case we were curious, this is actually a T30 head, 6 points.